How's it going, Mo?
I have the hiccups.
Oh no. Have you tried holding your breath?
Oh no, I still got them.
How about standing on your head?
Still not working.
Try drinking a glass of water.
While upside down?
Yup.
Yup. Oh man, I thought that one would have worked.
I've got one more idea.
What's that?
You're welcome!
Hey, thanks for including me in this.
We couldn't have fixed his hiccups without you.
Greetings, my animated friends! Have you ever gotten the hiccups? Let me know down in the comments below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified for more ModiBot videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Animation Eddie, and as always, stay animated and keep animating!